Got them working. All right. Beautiful thing about these radios, especially the Cybernet ones, when you've worked on them for a while, you generally have points of area that you go to. And in another video I mentioned the VCO, or it would be the final outputs, but going on the condition of this radio, I didn't think it was going to be final output. So this is what I did. All right, so there's the painted cover. Okay, covers off. You can see how clean this is. I can't see anything where someone has fiddled other than with the alignment. So with the first thing that I go to with obviously the proper tools, okay, is the VCO. I replaced these on 95% of all Cybernet Mark 1s. This one needs to be replaced. The adjustment to get it to work is very, very, very touchy. Okay, but I'll go over this 40 clicker as well. That's all factory, but it's a beautiful looking radio. Just hang on a second. Okay, we've got this radio. It's just into a dummy load, so I'm not going to receive anything. And just for receive purposes, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, that's upper sideband, lower sideband. 1 2 1 2 1 2. AM. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. All up. All right, this radio is working as well, and I got that working. Fixed the meter. It was a stuck meter. Look how bright the display is now compared to what it was before. Okay, so a lot of dirt, and the same with this one. This one was blurry. Okay, so you can turn that one right down or turn it up. So altogether, great day. Both radios work. Both radios are pretty much on frequency too. So there you go, a bit of fiddling, bit of know-how, bit of restoration, and we're done. Thanks very much for watching. Bit of excitement, you can tell. Let's pull it apart, Paul. He's put them back together right. Cheers, guys.